If your Netlify page shows a page not found error, it typically means that the deployment didn't deploy the files correctly, or there is an issue with the URL configuration. Here are steps to fix the page not found error. Check deployment status. Log into your Netlify account and navigate to the site in question. Go to the deploy section to ensure that the most recent deployment was successful. If there are errors, you can inspect the logs for detailed issues. Verify publish directory. Ensure that the correct directory containing the build files is set as the publish directory during deployment settings. The directory should contain the necessary static files. Rebuild and redeploy. Sometimes, rerunning the build process might resolve the issue. Go to your site's deploys tab and click rebuild to force a fresh deployment. Check URL and redirects. Verify the deployed URL. If your custom domain or path isn't working, check if the correct base URL and paths are set. Add redirects if necessary in the redirect section of Netlify settings. Correct routing. Ensure that routes in your website are configured correctly. Check for any issues in your front-end or back-end configuration, such as missing paths or incorrect paths in the routing logic. Verify files and permissions. Ensure all necessary files are deployed and permissions aren't blocking access.